Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I'm going to try to do 3 videos if I can. But first, I gotta get some raw sugar into me because I did a blood test for sugars and it's reading 30 or 29, which is too low for me. Remember, I'm a little bit diabetic. So hopefully that sugar rush kicks into my head. This is a VR for Cheryl Hirsch. Let's see if I can find her. There. There's Cheryl. Wrote it down. Don't forget. Cheryl Hirsch DUI Fund. She's giving out a 250 followers prize. This is my entry. You know, I like Cheryl. I like her kids and everything. It's a beautiful Afghan. But I'm slowly getting towards Plan H, so I really don't need it. So if I do win, I'm passing it on to KFAB. And Uncle Alan's just tired. Why? Because Uncle Alan has to do a lot of things, and I got to fight a lot of bad people. And Uncle Alan's just tired. I'm trying to get this all done. Now, you folks, go back and see my last video, because Uncle Alan has to wake up 4:30 in the morning again. And we're using a bobcat. I'm moving another half-ton of cow manure so I can pay off this laptop. I take nothing from women. I don't take money. Sex I'll do. That's not a problem, but I will not take money. That's a big rule of thumb. No matter what the girls try to give me, I say no. And I gotta go back a little bit because she's going fast on that. Okay, you can see that. That's Cheryl's Afghan. That's the information you need. That's a beautiful Afghan. See right there, kids? I don't know if you can see it. I always have glare problems, plus I'm a little dizzy in the head. Okay. Whew. Uncle Alan does not feel good. And I hate YouTube. It always clips everybody's follower rate. It's the AI. Kind of figure that one out. If you see over here, put this down. Getting a little old, getting a little tired. I finally got the damn thing packed for KFAB. Uncle Alan's tired and old. And he has to do a lot of things. Here's Cheryl's channel. Can you see that, kids? You go check her out. Call friends, family. Go over to Cheryl. Hopefully we can get it over 300. All right? The heck was I saying? Oh, yeah. Another person I want to check out is Detroit Prepping. Needs all our help. Hey, he lives in Detroit. I would be needing help. And I just lost another note sheet. Great. I'll get it later. West Wind Survival. Now, those who seen TV news on the earthquake, a lot of them are suffering and they don't have water. So again, 12 gallons of water for 3 days for 4 people. That's a gallon a person. But nobody ever listens to Uncle Al. That's why he's tired as hell. And then also, the notes I dropped. I have fruit. Sliced peach is my favorite. This is and water artificially sweetened. These are with Splenda, so I'm pretty safe with that. But Uncle Alan's a little tired. I've been up since 4:30 in the morning, I gotta do it again tomorrow morning. Now, one of the girls, the little, I think she turned 19, the Vietnamese girl, great bod, nice, polite. Finally, she got me condoms that'll fit. Ones they give out are too small. I prefer the Magnum size, the large condom. See that, folks? See that, folks? Sorry, hold it backwards. I'm kind of old and tired because these are still a little bit small, but they will fit. That's the only thing I take from the girls because I'm sorry, but you know, Uncle Al's tired and I only could do it 3 times, so I'm tired as hell. I've been working trying to pay off the new laptop. I'm having fun just trying to get that thing running. And also, I have to watch my grandnephews and nieces for the summer. So I've been running in circles. I made a good hunter stew with potatoes, carrots, onions, bell peppers from my garden. My garden's going really good, so I don't have to worry about vegetables fresh. I have the patio with the pots and stuff here. I'll probably bring it out once I get enough strength. And then right now I'm getting my 3rd crop of tomatoes. Got already my cucumbers and my eggplants. I got chives and basils. You would not believe growing. I watch other channels, and I look for exotics or Japanese or American varieties that I can use. Now, Uncle Alan has spine trouble, hip trouble, you name it. I'm pretty messed up, so keeping straight is really hard. So this is what I'm trying to warn people. Okay, Cheryl Daria. She had the company that she rents a trailer from. They've been spraying all these things. Okay, now right now there's a German cockroach that's, whatchamacallit, is pesticide proof. So you better get cockroach traps. And also the mice right here, mousy, or rats, they're becoming resistant to that new California brand of rat poison. So that's not working either. So you better get some glue traps all over the place, kids. I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Wait a second, Uncle Al, you forgot about me. Uni, I'm all pink and also a Democrat. Yeah, I know. Let's say goodbye, Uni. This is Uncle Al. I'll catch you later, kids. Bye.